Bro, they finally came in. They finally came in. Hey guys, Taiga here, and I'm sorry for the lack of update on this series because for the most part, I've just been waiting. So to make my story short, I ordered a bunch of different corgi products like bracelets, keychains, bakery sets. So I've been getting different corgi products and was like deciding on which path to take. So like over the past month, I've been getting these products in person and seeing if it's a profitable item or not. And I decided to go with the last product, which, because of me being a dumbass, selecting free shipping on AliExpress, which takes up to 40 to 60 days, instead of paying $2 for e-packet, which is 12 to 20 days, so half the time. But anyways, now I got the products, so I have to go out and take pictures with this, like some assets for my video, for IG content and stuff like that. So let's go. But before we head out, let's thank the sponsor for this video, .store domains. So if you're starting a dropshipping store like me or any other e-commerce, then you have to get a .store domain. The reason is simple. Since dropshipping is such a popular niche now, you have to stand out in any way possible. And .store will allow your shop to become memorable, relevant, and brandable, which is crucial. It can be the difference of your store from failing and succeeding. So join the 200,000 other companies online like Emirates and Do Perfect and get yourself a .store domain with the link in the description. Anyways, BRB. Alright, I'm back. I just went to the Grove with my girlfriend to shoot some pics and vids, for the corgi jewelry. And I'm gonna show you what I got by popping up images or the video itself. It's gonna be somewhere on the screen, but yeah, it looks pretty good, right? And honestly, this product that I chose is so good because it fits perfectly with the logo that I designed from Design Hill. Okay, sorry for the interruption and this terrible sound quality and this terrible everything, but I have to show you this. 6:39, right, a.m. in the morning. And I just woke up to this. Okay, you have to read this. Hi there, I just want to inform you that you are using our logo, which we have copyrighted. Please take down and discontinue using our image or we will be sending a formal cease desist order. So essentially, I almost got sued. So what happened was that Design Hill stole her vector, put it on their website, claimed that their own, which led to me using that vector for my brand logo, my Hotshot Corgi account. So basically what happened was I apologized to her and said it wasn't my intention to tarnish her brand at all because I didn't know Vector Design Co. until this morning. So I apologized to her. I provided her the contact info for Design Hill so she could contact them directly. I also just want to apologize to you guys because I didn't realize I was promoting such a company that steals from other original content creators because I empathize with her because I'm a small content creator myself. So I'm really sorry. Don't do Design Hill anymore, bro. That's no, don't. Anyways, back to the video. So yeah, now it's a day later. It's Sunday, November 18th, the week of Black Friday now. So I got the products and shot the pics yesterday. So now I have the entire day to create my website with Shopify. I've never made a website in my entire life. So this is probably gonna take up the entire day. So I'll talk to you guys once I make it. Alrighty, here it is. I spent all day yesterday making the website. It is now Monday, November 19th, and I got my website completed. I didn't show you guys the entire process of me building the website because it's boring. Anyways, to briefly go over the website, I'm using the free Brooklyn theme, which is very popular amongst other e-commerce business. But overall, I think I made a pretty good website. I feel like what other dropshippers lack is that they don't emphasize on branding. I feel like a lot of dropshippers make their website like spammy looking with all these pop-ups and countdown widgets and like security pictures to emphasize safe shopping, and it just doesn't look good. Like, it's pretty easy to tell when it's bullshit. But here, I created a website with minimalism in mind, and that I don't need any of those like spammy pop-ups to gain the trust of the customer. The website speaks for itself. For Shopify apps, I kept it simple by using Oberlo, which is pretty much required for any AliExpress drop shipping. This is the app that allows you to, send the order from the customer to AliExpress themselves so they can ship it to the customer directly. I also got the Sales Pop app, so the customer on the website gets a notification every time an order went through. I feel like that creates a sense of urgency and a trust that like other people are buying it too, so might as well buy it. Anyways, also with the business model that I'm going, which is free item plus shipping, there are going to be tons and tons of abandoned carts where they add to cart, they see the shipping, and they get out. So I added Smart Cart Recovery email app, which sends out emails to the customers to try to win them back, and I'm gonna try to get a lot of conversions from abandoned carts. Basically, it's email marketing. Anyways, the coolest part on this website is, look, the checkout page, and here it shows like the progress bar at the top and a countdown timer for the cart. Also on the side, there are like other facts to ensure more trust, and this is just awesome and was incredibly easy. I'll link him down in the description because it was a YouTube video that I watched, and he gave us all the code needed to just simply put it in, and it's boom, done. It was that simple. I'll make sure to give him credit, and the link's in the description. Alrighty, well, that's the basic overlook of my website, and now that I got a website that is fully functional, next step is to contact a bunch of IG influencers to start. Alright, so I contacted these IG influencers on Sunday actually. As you can see here, I contacted roughly 50, roughly 50, and guess what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people responded. It is five people responded. So this is actually depressing. Like, I'm so scared now. I barely got any replies. I have to launch this website before Black Friday, at least a couple days before Black Friday, to get some sales. Like, I'm actually scared now. It's all fun and games when you have an idea and you're planning and stuff, but when you actually take into action, this is terrifying. Like, my money is on the line with this. And I know I said this is like more about the learning experience to begin with, which I still believe it is, but it's still scary, and I understand why a lot of people just don't take action. But anyways, now I got some IG influencers, so I got some deals on lock. Now I gotta do some Facebook ads, and I'm gonna go over that really quick because like I said, this is not a tutorial or anything like that. It's more of like a documentary series on the truth about dropshipping, and also I don't want this video to be terribly long. Alright, so let me go on Facebook. So Facebook ad manager right here, right? So this is what I did. So my first campaign is obviously I'm gonna do website purchases because I'm trying to get conversions. And for the audience, I just did United States. I know a lot of dropshippers tells you to do it worldwide, but like I'm only targeting the US people for this store at least. So I'm just gonna do that. I might add Canada, England, and Australia, just mainly English-speaking countries, and then age 18 to 65, just to keep it broad. It doesn't really matter. And gender, I also did all because I thought about doing only women, but I feel like if men watched it, and it's it's like holiday season, so they might get it for a loved one or something like that. So I just kept the gender all. And in terms of detailed targeting, I include engaged shoppers, so that's number one key I heard from other dropshippers. And then a lot of interest, so I did a lot of corgi interest, and also I did some animal rescue because you gotta get those empathetic people, and necklace. Pretty simple. I'm only gonna be doing $5 budget a day. I was thinking of doing $5 or $10, so I'm probably gonna run like 3 ad sets. So basically one is going to be website purchases, and the other one is going to be a retargeting Facebook ad, so the people who've previously watched my ads will get another ad. And I also will do maybe brand awareness ads, so people will at least know my brand. Yeah, those are the 3 ads I'm going to be doing. I'm only going to be doing Instagram feed and Facebook feed because other stuff just makes it complicated. Done. Like, I'm ready to go, and that's basically it. Now my dropshipping store has started. now that my Facebook ads are running and I got some IG influencers, next time we see each other, we'll be talking about results. So, basically the conclusion. So wish me luck. I'm gonna go hard on this. I got some IG influencers and some Facebook ads, and let's see how this goes. Well, that's basically it, guys. If you like this series, make sure to thumbs up and subscribe for more similar content like this. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.